Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact aluminium sliding window type because removal steps differ. Identify if the sash lifts out or if stops are fastened. Put on gloves and place a drop cloth. Tape adjacent trim to protect finishes. Remove screens now by unlatching and lifting them out so they don't get damaged. Then use a flathead or 5mm hex to open visible screws and clips along the top and bottom track. This first access reveals the fasteners you'll remove next. Once done with initial fasteners, work on the sashes. Release any sash locks and remove stops starting at one end so the sash can move. Lift the sash into a tilted position, about 45 degrees, and pull it toward you to clear the upper track. This disengages rollers or guide tabs. If the sash is heavy or sealed, score any paint or caulk along the perimeter first to free it. Keep parts organized because the order and placement matter for reinstallation. With sashes out, remove the remaining screws holding the aluminium frame to the opening. Use a putty knife to break any paint or sealant bead before prying to avoid damage. Have a partner support the frame. Once screws are out, tip the frame inward and lower it straight down to clear the sill. Finally, clean the jamb, scrape old sealant, and inspect flashing. If frame sticks due to paint or corrosion, apply penetrating oil and reattempt after a few minutes. Don't force or you'll bend the frame.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.